Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do self-transfer through PayTm app. First of all, open PayTm app in your phone. Okay. So here I just search PayTm and I open PayTm app here. And to do self-transfer, that is transferring money to your own account, click on to bank or self account. Click here and click on to self account here. And if you have added more bank account, they will be listed here. You should have at least two bank account to do self transfer, otherwise you cannot do it. Okay, so here I would like to transfer money from Indian Overseas Bank to ICICI Bank of my accounts. Okay, so click on ICICI Bank here and then type the amount that you would like to do as a self transfer. Here I would like to do a self transfer of 20,000. Okay, click on proceed securely and PayTm app is selecting the other account here. Okay, suppose if you have more than two accounts, that means three accounts, here two accounts will be listed, two other account. Apart from the selected one, two accounts will be listed here and you have to choose any one here. Okay, here in my case I have only two accounts, so I have already selected ICICI Bank account and other account is displaying here. So from this account money will be debited and credited to this selected account. Okay, and click on pay securely and now you have to enter your password. Okay, I have entered my password, that is PIN, and click on the tick mark and it will be transferring. Just wait. But here in my case payment limit exceeded for Indian Overseas Bank account, so limit is not available, so it's not done. But if you do like this, money will be transferred. Okay, because of my bank limit, as of now it is not transferred. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.